mutual funds are now increasingly gaining the acceptance of different investors in India owing to the ease and return that they offer. This financial instrument is suitable to all types of investors ranging from small, medium or large, as you can invest in mutual funds through Systematic Investment Plan (SIP) with amount ranging from 500 rupees to infinite on a monthly, quarterly or annual basis. Also, you have the option to choose from equity funds, debt funds, balance funds, index funds and money market funds. However, committing mistakes while investing in mutual funds can lead to loss of profits and decreasing or losing the funds altogether. Here are some of the mistakes that you need to avoid while investing in mutual funds. Firstly, investment without financial goals. Secondly, investment without budget. Thirdly, not paying attention to risk profile. Fourthly, investing in too many funds without any planning or understanding them. Fifthly, selling investments in bear market. Sixthly, not paying due consideration to debt funds. Seventhly, investing with a short-term approach. And, lastly, not discussing with financial planner your goals and dreams. Investing is an art. One should not treat it as a do-it-yourself thing and seek the advice of a qualified financial planner to chalk out a strategy that will help one achieve one's goals with minimal risk. Let's look how you can build your short, medium and long-term goals through investment in mutual funds. If you want to achieve any short-term goal like buying house or vehicle, then your investment should be purely in debt funds. If you want to achieve any medium-term approach like funding your children education or children marriage, then choose debt and equity in the ratio of 70:30. And, if you want to plan your retirement and have sufficient time, then your maximum investment should be in equity funds. For any queries related to tax and investment planning, please contact DJ Consultants. Thank you.